Hi guys, welcome to Veggie Mama, and I just want to show you tonight I'm going to be making some cauliflower buffalo wings. I'm going to be marinating this overnight, and let's see, you could either put it in the dehydrator or eat like that. So I'm going to massage it and see if I'm going to put in the dehydrator tomorrow or eat like that. But anyway, I wanted to put a video last night, but my mom, I had to rush my mom to the hospital because she passed out, so she's feeling much better now, and she's home back again. So praise the Most High for protecting her, doing well. So I just want to come in and share with you guys this, and this is organic cauliflower also, and they feel reasonable. Get like a $3.99 for the whole head. So when you have, I'm just gonna go and break these off. Then I'm going to use the knife and just cut it. Just cut off these, cut it like this. I'm gonna get these out. I'm gonna big piece. Get these out like that. So I'm going to break it up and come back in. Okay guys, so I washed the cauliflower, so I'm just going to put some extra virgin olive oil on. You could use whatever oil of your choice you want to use. I'm going to put some salt. This is my Himalayan pink salt. Onion powder. I'm just gonna have some barbecue sauce here, guys, but I'm just gonna season it up some more because I want that flavor, some yeast flakes. And I have this it's a sugar-free barbecue sauce, hickory flavor. I'm gonna shake it up, put it on there, and I'm just gonna go in, guys, and I made my own barbecue sauce before. It's delicious. I have the time right now to do it. So I'm just gonna go and just use my hand, and just massage it in. And like I said, I'm gonna let this sit overnight, and maybe I put it in the dehydrator tomorrow just to warm it up, just to wilter it down some. And if you're not doing raw, you could definitely bake this, guys. Just let it marinate overnight. Put it in the oven. I think I'm going to do it when I come home from work. I'm going to put it in the dehydrator. But the flavor is going to be in there because it's sitting. So you could eat it raw like this, or put it in the dehydrator. Or you could put it in the oven, the lowest setting, if you don't have a dehydrator. Okay guys, so I decided to put it in the dehydrator, and I'm telling you, it's so delicious. So you can put it in the dehydrator, guys, and it's really good. So if you guys try this simple recipe, like this video, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.